Welcome back to my channel. Welcome, guys. So how you guys doing today? So we are going to make out with this fine fabric with a top. So as you can see, I've already folded it, so it's just for us to start. And before then, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, watch my video down to the end, and also subscribe, share it for your friends so that they too can see and learn and watch. So let's get started now. Folded my fabric in 4 pieces. So this is what I mean. So we are going to cut the front and the back together, and folded my fabric in 4 pieces, as you can see. So I will go ahead now to take my measurement now. So I will be starting with the shoulder. So I will go ahead now to divide my shoulder by 2. My shoulder is 15 inches. That means it's 7.5 inches. So that is my 7.5 inches. And then I will use my ruler to roll it to have a straight ruler like this. So that is it. So I will also go ahead now to take from my upper part again, that is from the upper part, to get my chest line by 8 inches. So that is it. Then I will go ahead now to take my bust measurement. My bust measurement is 36. That is divided by 4. That will give us 9 inches, and just add 1 inch on it for the sewing allowance, and then place my tape on that line that will mark 8 inches. That's for the chest line, and mark 2 inches like this, and then curve it for the armhole. So I'm going to curve it like this. So that is it now. So that is for the armhole. I will also go ahead now to take my neckline. My neckline is round, and I'm going to mark 4 inches like this. And to bring down the depth of the neckline, I'm going to mark 3.5 inches and then curve it like this. So that is it for the neckline for the front. So as for the back neckline, at the depth, I'm going to mark 1.5 inches. So that is my 1.5 inches, and also curve it like this. So that is it. We have gotten the front and the back neckline. So to slope my shoulder, I'm going to mark ½ inch, and then using my ruler to do that, to slope it down like this. So that is it now. So we've gotten all those. So now to take the measurement, like the length, placing my tape for the upper side to get my length. My length is 24 inches. So that is my 24 inches. And then we are going to also mark from the upper part to get to my under bust side is 13 inches. So on that line there, I will mark 32 inches like this, and then mark 1 inch. So coming to the down part is 38, that is 9.5 inches. So also adding 1 inch like this. So I've gotten all my measurement now, is to connect it together now. So I'm going to connect from my bust to the under bust like this, and then take it down to the full length of the top. So that is it. And my top is going to have a basket waistline, this. So what I will do, I will place my tape like this, as you can see, and mark 5 inches like this. So that is where we'll get our V, sharp V, that will have that basket effect. So I'm going to connect it like this. So can you see what I'm doing here? So please watch this video and also comment, and also share it for others, and subscribe. So we're done with our measurement now. So now is to cut it out now. So let me start from the down part of it. So what I did on this cloth is that we fold it in 4 pieces and cut it out, that is the front and the back. So that is what we are doing here. So this is my armhole side. So I'm going to cut the neckline now. That is what I'm cutting now, is the back neckline. So that is it now. So after that now, I will be cutting my shoulder like this. Like cut off my shoulder. So the front and the back is almost ready now. So let me pull it out, like for the back neckline, and then cut the front neckline like this. So this is my front neckline now that I'm cutting. So let me also spread it out for you to see how it is now. So can you see how it is now? So this is our basket waistline now. So this I'm going to sew it now. So I will join the front and the back shoulder and also join it together again, so that our top will be to join my body part now. So I'm going to divide it by 2. So this is our bust now. So my bust, I will divide it into 2 now. So this is our 36. So I will share it now. What remains there is 2. So 1 inch this side of it, coming to this side 1 inch, and for the under bust area, so this what remain 3, 1, 2. So that is 2 place. You also come back to 2 inch, 1 inch like this, coming to this side 1 inch. And as for the down part of it now, so what we also have is 2 inches. So that means 1 this side, that is 1 inch this side, 1 inch this side. So I will go and join it. But before then, that's what I told you. I will go and use the front and the back and join the shoulder first before joining the body. So that is it. I'm going to join the top, the shoulder and the body parts, as you can see. So you can see how it came out very good. So our top is ready to wear out now. So please have your fabric cut along with me like this. And also please subscribe to my channel and watch my video down to the end. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.